Hi and welcome back, guys. So this month we are starting with new career and finance related readings as per the poll that was conducted on my Instagram channel. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram where we actually share a lot of switch words, a lot of remedies, a lot of astrological insights, a lot of tarot tips so that you guys can understand better and you know what a reader is talking about. So without much ado, let's get into the reading for my Taurus sign, Sun, Moon, Rising. This is a general reading for your career, for your finances. So, you guys are starting the month with the Ace of Athens. So, Ace of Athens, there is some kind of breakthrough finally happening for you guys, my Taurus people. Uh, when the Ace of Swords shows up, what it means is you're finally going to get a mental breakthrough. So if you guys have had a mental block sort of thing, so if a lot of you are writers, a lot of you are bloggers, and you have been sort of hitting the wall with your ideas, or you don't know exactly what else you can do, how you can add more. So it's not only applicable for writers and all, but also people at work, especially those in creative fields. So if you have if you're suffering from that confusion or that boredom, you're finally going to get some kind of breakthrough, that you'll finally realize, okay, this is something I can do and this is something I can actually do very well. So that is going to give you a great start into the month. The next card I have for you is number 5, the High Priest. So the High Priest talks about that you finally have everything that you need to figure out how things are going to go. And at the same time, if you look at the High Priest, this guy is old. That means this guy has the needed knowledge, this guy has the needed uh, experience to do whatever he wishes to do. So for a lot of you people, who are waiting to or who are looking for a job, or who are waiting to hear back from something, for a lot of you guys, you are finally going to have a breakthrough. Either you will realize the industry that you have been applying for, or the way that you have been applying for jobs is not working out, and somebody will actually tell you that there's a different way of doing it, you can go about things a different way. But definitely something new, a change in mindset is going to happen. And change in mindset along with the experience that you have is going to lead you into a better position, both financially and in terms of your career wise as well, in terms of promotion and all. um, what else do we have for you? Okay, the next card I have for you is the Ten of Chalices. So Ten of Chalices tells me, for a lot of you, if you have been waiting for a job, I do see a lot of you people getting a job. You're finally going to get, for a lot of you, it's going to be in a different field altogether because of the Ace of Swords card. So completely different field, something that you have never ever done before, that is going to happen. And because you have the experience, right, because you have that level of maturity, whatever role you end up with, you are going to be very happy, you're going to feel very proud. And you'll be able to make amount of money that is going to give you emotional satisfaction, that you have enough money, or you have enough finances to bring home, and everyone is going to be happy. So I don't know, for some reason I feel Tauruses in general, Sun, Moon, Rising people, Tauruses are very, they're very resourceful people, they're like resources. And you guys are going to get a breakthrough and you are going to figure it out. So one was that, and the other one, the second group that I was talking about when it comes to these cards, is those people who are going to get a job, who are going to get a promotion, who are going to get an increment in whatever they are currently doing. And because of their experience, because of their leadership abilities, they are going to get this promotion. And this promotion, with this promotion would come a position where they are able to afford more comforts in their life. The next card I have for you is the Six of Wands. So no matter where you end up being, whether you belong to the first group or you belong to the second group, you are going to end up in a leadership position. So you are going to be very good in terms of how you lead people, how you motivate people, how you tell people that these are the things you can explore. So no matter where you apply or what you do, just make sure that the role that you end up with actually gives you the freedom to coach people, because you guys have amazing coaching abilities as well. And it would be a really good idea for you to be able to guide, to be able to supervise somebody who can actually be just like you in the future. But make sure while all this happens, because you are getting all these breakthroughs, you're going to make a lot of people jealous. So make sure that you actually take salt water baths, so you're able to remove all that negative energy or all those feelings of envy, jealousy at the end of the day. The next card I have for you is the Horn Dog. So the Horn Dog is basically the Emperor card. See, so not only are you getting a promotion, you're getting an increment, but you're finally going to be in a position where you are termed as the Emperor, where you are termed as the leader of whatever it is. So for a lot of you, in terms of industries that I see is, a couple of you could be in the tech industry. Few of you could also be in creative fields, related to writing, related to journalism, related to tech industries. For the others of you, I see you in management positions, some kind of administrative of or admin or management positions where you are leading people. Like you are already leading people, but now you have more people to lead, and people actually look towards you, for your feedback, for your input. And there is going to be a party, there is going to be a celebration related to it. People are going to get together, people are going to praise you, and considering you are achieving all these breakthroughs, I am pretty sure there is going to be a celebration, a social event, a gathering of some kind. Now, for the other group who are looking for jobs, something is going to happen. You are going to change the way you approach the problem this month, but at the same time, the chances for you of bumping into people who could give you a job are through networking, because the three of cups shows up, three of cups, three of chalices has showed up, and it's all about networking. It's all about going out. Even this is networking, this is leadership, this is also networking, and this is using your contacts very well. So make sure you are combining all these energies, you're making the best use of your connections, your contacts, to find people who can help you with a job. Do not just keep sending your CVs and resumes, but make sure you are actually paying attention towards how you reach out to people and how you network with people. From the Moonology deck, remember we were talking about Taurus. Well, prosperity lies ahead. You can obviously assume they are going to be, your finances are definitely going to better, because you are moving into a leadership position and you are going to become your boss. So that is definitely happening. The next card that actually jumped out of the deck is you're very close to achieving your goal. So this is the reading for my Taurus sign, Sun, Moon, Rising. Let me know if the reading resonates, and I'll see you in your monthly readings by your date of birth.